Oh, he's not going to show us another 80s movie, is he?
Ooh. Rwan ta, pwy ydy ein dysgwr yr wythnos hon, Tybed?
Tybed. What does Tybed mean?
Tybed. Oh yeah, it's a good word, isn't it?
Tybed.
Tybed.
Tybed
means I wonder.
I wonder.
And what's interesting, beth sy'n ddiddorol ydy, does dim dwi. You know, normally you talk about I do something. I'm running, I go, I see. We use dwi.
Yeah.
But Tybed, you don't need to say dwi'n Tybed. You just say Tybed. It literally means I wonder, as it is.
Oh, okay.
So how would we say, what's the problem, I wonder?
Beth yw problem, Tybed?
Da iawn. What's the hwiangerdd today, I wonder?
Beth yw hwiangerdd heddiw, Tybed?
Yeah. So it's good.
Is that okay?
Handy indeed.
It's quite handy, I wonder.
There's also another version, which I tend to use, which is sgwni.
Sgwni, now that's better.
Have you heard that? Yeah?
I've heard you say that before.
Sgwni.
Sgwni. Beth yw sgwni? That's just, I wonder.
I wonder.
Sgwni?
Sgwni.
Sgwni.
Yeah, so choose. Whichever one you want.
Okay, okay.
Yeah? Sgwni, Tybed.
Sgwni, Tybed. Sgwni, Tybed. Okay.
Hapus?
Yeah, you let me know which one you find more fun to use.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good way.
There's a little nod in iaith thrown
what's
in
next?
there.
Beth yw next?
Oh, dysgwr yr wythnos.
Oh, Ciorodis.
Yeah.
Origami. She does origami. What is it? What is origami in Welsh?
Origami.
Origami o. Gwyliwch hwn.